Introducing Powerex Power Dyna 10W40 SN. Premium engine oil specially formulated for modern BS6 motorcycles, built to deliver smoother rides, maximum engine protection, and outstanding performance on Indian roads. Here's a look at the back label, clearly listing its advanced formulation, SN grade rating, and specifications designed for today's high-performance engines. Every bottle of Powerex Power Dyna is sealed with a tamper-proof inner seal, ensuring purity and quality straight from our manufacturing unit. Look at the oil's consistency and rich amber tone. This reflects our high-quality base oil and smart additive technology. It offers excellent thermal stability, engine cleanliness, and friction control. Why choose Power Dyna 10W40 SN? BS6 engine compatible, advanced SN grade protection, smoother gear, shifting reduced engine vibration and noise, long-lasting performance in city and highway riding. Whether you're commuting daily or riding long distance, Power Dyna 10W40 is your engine's best companion. At Powerex, we've been crafting premium lubricants since 2010 using advanced Powerex technology trusted across India by professionals and riders. Choose Powerex Power Dyna 10W40 SN, made for BS6 engines, built for performance. For more info, call or WhatsApp us, +91 635 336 5665. Visit www.powerexoil.com, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real product videos and engine care tips. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for latest update.